Linux distros, am I right? Two of the biggest names out there always sparking debates. Ubuntu and Debian. Which one's the king of the hill? Well, hold your horses because it's not that simple. We're diving deep into 7 key differences between these titans to help you pick your fighter. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Linux distributions. Today we're comparing two of the most popular distros, Ubuntu and Debian. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which one is right for you. Alright, first up, let's talk stability because nobody wants a system that crashes more than my gaming PC on a bad day. Imagine you're in the middle of an important project, or maybe you're just about to hit a new high score in your favorite game and then, bam, your system crashes. It's the stuff of nightmares, right? That's why stability is so crucial. You need a system that you can rely on day in and day out, without worrying about unexpected crashes or bugs derailing your work or play. Debian, my friends, is legendary for its rock-solid stability. It's like the old reliable car that just keeps going no matter what. You might not get the latest bells and whistles, but you know it's going to get you where you need to go without breaking down. We're talking Fort Knox levels of stability here. When you think of Fort Knox, you think of impenetrable security and reliability. That's Debian for you. It's the kind of system you can set up and forget about, knowing it's going to keep running smoothly. Why? Well, Debian focuses on tried-and-true software versions, stuff that's been tested to within an inch of its life. The Debian team puts each piece of software through rigorous testing, ensuring that it's as stable and secure as possible before it's included in the official repositories. This makes it perfect for mission-critical systems like servers, where uptime is king. In a data center, every second of downtime can mean lost revenue and frustrated customers. With Debian, you can be confident that your servers will stay up and running, providing reliable service around the clock. You want that website serving pages like a champ 24/7? Debian's got your back. Whether you're running a small personal blog or a massive e-commerce site, Debian's stability ensures that your visitors will always be able to access your content. But hold on, before you jump on the Debian train, Ubuntu throws a curveball. Ubuntu is like the flashy sports car that catches your eye with its sleek design and high-tech features. It's exciting and new, but it comes with its own set of trade-offs. See, Ubuntu is all about newer software, the latest and greatest features. If you're someone who loves to be on the cutting edge of technology, Ubuntu might be more your speed. You'll get access to the newest software releases and features as soon as they're available. They're willing to sacrifice a tiny bit of that rock-solid stability for access to cutting-edge goodies. This means you might encounter a few more bugs or issues, but you'll also get to enjoy the latest advancements in software and technology. So if you're the type who needs the newest drivers, the latest software versions, Ubuntu might be your jam. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who want to stay ahead of the curve and experiment with the latest tools and features. Just be prepared for the occasional hiccup. You know, like that one friend who always shows up late with a questionable excuse. It's a small price to pay for being on the forefront of technology, but it's something to keep in mind when choosing your operating system. Speaking of new stuff, let's talk release cycles. In the world of software, how often updates are released can make a big difference in your experience. Some people prefer a steady, reliable pace, while others thrive on the excitement of frequent updates. Debian marches to the beat of its own drum with long-term support releases every few years. This means you get a stable, well-tested system that you can rely on for the long haul. It's like having a solid foundation that you can build on without worrying about sudden changes. Think of it like that reliable friend who's always down for a chill hangout. Not much drama, just good times. You know what to expect, and there's a comfort in that consistency. Debian's approach is perfect for those who value stability and predictability. Ubuntu, on the other hand, is like that friend who's always got something going on, new adventures every 6 months. With Ubuntu, you get the latest features and improvements on a regular basis, keeping things fresh and exciting. They've got a predictable release schedule like clockwork. Every 6 months you can expect a new version with the latest updates and enhancements. It's like having a friend who always has a new story to tell or a new place to explore. Every 6 months, bam, new release. Now which one's better? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for in your operating system experience. If you value stability and don't want to mess with upgrades too often, Debian's your winner. It's like having a dependable car that you know will get you where you need to go without any surprises. But if you crave the latest and greatest, and you're not afraid of a few updates here and there, Ubuntu's your speed demon. It's like driving a sports car that gets a new turbo boost every few months, keeping you at the cutting edge of technology. Ultimately, the choice between Debian and Ubuntu comes down to your personal preference and how you like to manage your system. Do you prefer the slow and steady approach, or are you more of a fast and furious type? The decision is yours to make. Okay, let's talk software, the heart and soul of any operating system. Debian is a purist at heart, a true believer in the power of free and open source software. Their repositories, think of them like giant software warehouses, are packed with FOSS goodness. You want proprietary drivers or software? Well, Debian might make you work for it. Ubuntu, on the other hand, is all about convenience. They get that sometimes you just need that one proprietary driver to make your hardware sing. So, they include it by default, making your life a whole lot easier. Plus, their software center is super user-friendly. Even your grandma could figure it out. Now let's talk performance. Debian is lean and mean, a true lightweight contender. It runs like a dream even on older hardware, squeezing every ounce of performance out of your system. It's like that friend who can rock a 10-year-old phone and still get better battery life than you. Ubuntu, with its focus on user-friendliness and shiny features, can be a bit more demanding on your system. It's not a resource hog by any means, but it does need a bit more horsepower to really shine. Think of it like that friend who always has the latest gadgets, but their battery is always on the verge of dying. Chapter 5. Okay, let's be real, not everyone's a command line ninja. Some of us prefer a point-and-click adventure. Debian, with its emphasis on customization and control, can be a bit intimidating for newcomers. It's like that friend who throws you the car keys without telling you it's a stick shift. Ubuntu, on the other hand, rolls out the red carpet for beginners. It's designed to be user-friendly, with a straightforward interface and tons of documentation. Think of it like that friend who picks you up from the airport, gives you a tour of the city, and even packs you snacks. Chapter 6. Behind every great distro is a dedicated community, and Debian's is legendary. It's a true community-driven project, developed and maintained by volunteers around the globe. They're passionate, they're opinionated, and they're always willing to lend a helping hand. Ubuntu, while still having a strong community, also has the backing of Canonical Limited, a commercial entity. This means they've got resources, they've got support, and they're invested in Ubuntu's success. Chapter 7. Alright, final round, let's talk use cases. Debian, with its legendary stability and security, is a favorite for servers. It's the backbone of countless websites, applications, and critical infrastructure. Think of it like the foundation of a skyscraper, invisible but essential. Ubuntu, on the other hand, is a versatile all-rounder. It's great for desktops, laptops, servers, and even cloud environments. It's like that friend who can fit in anywhere, from a black tie gala to a backyard barbecue. So, there you have it, folks. 7 key differences between Ubuntu and Debian. We've covered everything from stability and user-friendliness to software availability and community support. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in determining which distribution might be the best fit for you. Which one comes out on top? Is it the tried-and-true Debian, known for its robustness and reliability? Or is it the more modern and accessible Ubuntu, with its sleek interface and cutting-edge features? Well, that's like asking me to pick a favorite child. Both have their unique strengths and weaknesses, and the choice ultimately boils down to what you value most in an operating system. It all depends on your needs, your priorities, and your level of Linux experience. Are you a seasoned Linux user who loves to tinker and customize every aspect of your system? Or are you a newcomer looking for a smooth and hassle-free experience? Want rock-solid stability and don't mind getting your hands dirty? Debian's your jam. It's perfect for those who need a reliable system for servers or development environments where uptime and performance are critical. Prefer a more user-friendly experience with the latest and greatest software? Ubuntu's got you covered. It's ideal for desktop users who want a polished, easy-to-use interface and access to a vast repository of applications. No matter which distro you choose, remember you're joining a vibrant and passionate community. Both Debian and Ubuntu have active forums, mailing lists, and social media groups where you can seek help, share knowledge, and connect with other Linux enthusiasts. So, get out there, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. The world of Linux is vast and full of opportunities to learn and grow. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison helps you decide between Ubuntu and Debian. Whether you choose one or the other or even decide to try both, you're in for an exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Your support helps us create more content to guide you through the ever-evolving tech landscape. See you in the next video. Until then, happy computing and may your Linux adventures be ever rewarding.